SZ.
Good morning. Andito na kami sa aming site. Ayan, we are now walking in the desert. So my God, I see. Ayan, oh. Naglalakad kami, pero para may nakita kami ng lemon dito, oh. What are these? It's like a pumpkin. No, not pumpkin. I will pick up later for souvenir. Hello everybody. Are you ready for our experience? So dito may CR din sa desert, half desert. See? Ganda, oh. Taray. So ayan, medyo maaga pa kami. Napaaga kami mga kabayan. So at least ayan. At tingin ko dito maraming nagka-camping. Sobra kaming aga, oh. Nag-aano pa lang sila, oh. Nag-aayos pa lang sila. Mario Joseph. Ayun. Clean up Dubai. So ito yung aming site, site D. Ayan, nagpe-prepare na sila, oh. Wow. Ayan. So ito yung kanilang project. So sakay muna kami. Balik kami doon sa site A kasi doon daw magre-register muna yata. Ay, magre-register ba doon o doon magpupunta? So dito muna kami sa pinaka site A. Dito yung assembly. So ang dami ng tao. Grabe. Sobra. Iba-ibang kumpanya to. Big companies. See? Ayun pala. Mga kabayan.
McDonald's.
We are inside. Kabayan.
Welcome to the 23rd edition of Clean UAE. Welcome everybody. Thank you very much for your participation, and it's a very good participation early morning for our own environment. We have few instructions which we have to follow. Please make sure that you follow them. Please be safe when you're going around. First, you have to collect your reusable cotton gloves and the garbage covers. One from your group will be coming here and give us the number how many you have in your group, and we'll count and give it to you. First. Second, when you're going to clean, please make sure that you're not picking up twigs, branches, stones, pebbles, any organic material. Third, make sure that you're not picking up any harmful material like syringes, broken glass, anything which can harm you. Fourth, make sure that once you finish your cleanup, you can go wherever you want to go actually. Make sure you come back safe and give us the soiled reusable gloves. There is a board here, you can deposit back. Don't put it into the garbage covers, please, because we are going to wash it and reuse it for the next event. Get it?
Yes.
Finally, after you finish your cleanup, come back. We have some snacks and refreshments. You can enjoy that. But make sure that you're going to throw the garbage back into the garbage bins. Don't throw it again. Because next year you have to clean it again.
I did not hear that.
Okay.
Again.
Everybody's excited?
Yes.
Let's do it, guys.
I have a small hand.
Please collect your garbage bags. Please collect your garbage bags.
How many? Two. It's one per person. One per person.
Okay.
Done? How many?
So ayan, mamumulot kami ng basura. So mamumulot na kami ng basura. Tama namin yung team namin dito. So ayan, dami.
So we cannot pick anything.
So ito na, namumulot na kami. Pulot na ako ng takip. So mukha sa area namin hindi masyadong makalat. Gaya nung pagpasok namin makalat na siya. Pero siguro dito parang hindi kasi ito pero may nakita ako rito. May mga bote-bote dito. We can pick up this one. See? I think this side little bit dirty already. Oh. Okay, this is my team. Oh my god, shit. This is where you're going to strengthen your legs. Walking exercise in the morning. See? This is a desert, half desert camping site. I already have 3. Oh, hindi rin pala madali mamulot. Oh, ayan oh. Ayan, sila mga namumulot na sila. Oh, ayan mga plastic doon sa bandaron. Oh, there. Okay, yeah, see, Kuya Sunil is now picking up also. I have some plastic here, see, plastic. Other plastic bottle also. See. Ito, water bottle, plastic. Ayan, oh, napulot ko. Buo pa. Wala pang bawas. See? Actually, magandang experience siya, ha? Kasi nakakatulong ka sa environment, ha? Plastic din ito, ayan, ha? So, kailangan pulutin mo yan. Ayan. Ayan. So, bawal yan. Ayan, plastic ng masapi. Plastic ng masapi. Plastic dito. Ito pa, oh, plastic. Ito pa, plastic. Yan. Plastic bag full already. Yan. Yan yung sa akin. Exercise na sa umaga, at the same time nakakatulong ka pa sa environment, mamulot, di ba? Oh, dami. Sa dami ng namumulot niyan, ewan ko lang pag hindi nila nakuha yung mga dapat nilang kunin. So ayan, oh, nakapulot pa ako ng bago pa. Pang skewer ng ano, ng kebab. Bago pa, oh. Oh, yung isa lang natanggal. Pero bago pa. Kalahin mo yun. Mapupulot mo yan dito sa desert. Yung mga nagka-camping sa gabi. Ayan. Tayo pa. Medyo mainit pero mahangin. At least carry naman. Ayun, marami pa. Nagkakahiwa-hiwalay na. Mga nag-e-enjoy na sa pagpupulot-pulot ng ano, ng mga basura. Dito sa ano, sa Clean Up UAE Drive. See? 3. Okay, mamaya ulit. Tingin ko sa gabi may mga ahas din dito kasi oh, may trail ng ano eh, signage ng sa ahas. Ayan oh, kita nyo yan. So ayan oh, mga maliliit na ano. Tingin ko lang ha.
Steel?
See?
That's steel road?
See, steel road. See, check kuya. There is a hole. Snakes, no? See? Snakes. See, coming. This maybe this one inside, no?
Okay.
So ayan. Next na napulot ko, lighter. Oh, may laman pa. Ayan oh. May laman pa. Almost kalahati pa siya. Yung lighter. See? I pick up lighter. Oh, still good. Still good lighter. Ayan. Oh, good lighter. Magagamit ko to. Palahin mo yun. Kailangan. Ayan oh. Ayan siya, naglalakad. Hello. Ayan, tapos may mga marking siya iniiwan. Real talk lang ha. Actually, ang layo na namin doon sa ano, pinaka campsite namin. Yung pinaka area namin. Hindi, halos yung pinaka tent na lang nakikita ko eh. Pero yung mga tao, ayan, kalat-kalat na. Makikita mo, puro puti ang suot. Oh, may mga lubid pa rito. Ito, siguro pwede itong damputin. Actually, from the campsite, 4,000 steps. 4,000 steps. Okay, see? There they are. We are the farthest. No, there is one more group there. No, very far. Where the farthest? I think there, Rupiah, oh. Oh my God. Okay, photo.
All done.
Woohoo! But you did not hear this. So we are now going back because we're almost far from the campsite, I think. But we are here until 11, no? Only 9:30. Still have more time to pick up some more garbage here from the Clean Up UAE drive. Oh my God. See, Madam and Anuf there. I'm Danny, Kuya Sunil, and Arjun. So number one rule pag nasa desert ka, huwag ka magsasapatos, papupuno ng buhangin. Diba? Alay mo yun.
We will use this road. We have the school bus yellow.
Yeah, that one school bus yellow. This one straight.
Thumbs up na!
Time for refreshment. Banana, apple, and hot water. Banana. Thank you for watching. How was the experience, Kuya? Nice. How many steps, madam? Aywa. So, dito na lang din natin tatapusin itong vlog na to. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa Clean Up UAE this 2024. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye.